Hi, my name is Mark and I have never played Fortnite before. I've never been a video game person. That's just something I've never done before. The latest game that I have played that is like a big deal was Grand Theft Auto. And that's the only game that I've played in the last 8 or 9 years. I bought the original Xbox. Actually, I got it as a gift. I got the original Xbox 360 way back then. I never used it, and I've never been a video game person, but there's such big talk about this game that I figured why not do it and make a video doing this thing. This is not my type of game. The thing I like about Grand Theft Auto is you can just drive. This is not my thing, but let's try it. So it's all downloaded. We're going to launch the game. And coming from Xbox, I am a controller person. I do not like the keyboard or the mouse. So that's what I'm using right now. Hopefully it teaches me what to do because I don't know what any of these buttons are going to do on this game. Okay, we've got the game loaded. I don't know what I want. I'm guessing... Battle? Let's do battle. I don't know what everybody's playing or not. Okay, is there a training mode? Okay, let's see, we got a map of the buttons. Okay. I guess we're going right in. I'm actually running this on the computer I built. I call it a gaming PC, but I really don't game on it. It's really not the best specs. It's got like GTX 1050. So it's probably not the best, but it works. We're just in the waiting area here. I really don't know what any of these buttons do. I don't know how everybody's changing weapons. Okay. Do I have to go to the bus? No, I don't. Controls are fairly similar to Grand Theft Auto, kind of. Can we fall a little faster here? It's taking forever. I don't really know what different weapons are available or if I can even get other stuff. Okay, I think I understand. It has letters on the screen that correspond with my controller. So Y is going to be weapons, and apparently I don't have any. Okay. X to open, X to pick up. Does not pick it up automatically. Here we go, Y, left button, right button. Ah, got it, just like Grand Theft Auto, which is good. I wonder if there's a run fast mode. Like if you hold A, do you run faster? And then how do I hide? This is probably a bad idea to just go straight in like this. Oh. Okay, we're trying again here. Right now I'm looking for a weapon because apparently once the game's over, you lose it. So I'm trying to find something. I'm not having much luck right now. Huh.
IAP, what are you doing?
Okay, we'll try that again. Apparently people can talk. Someone just said, "What are you doing?" to me, I guess. I don't like that. Can I remove that? Disable that? I just figured this out. You can use the time in the waiting room to actually get weapons. That's actually cool. So never mind. It was there. I guess it's gone. So much for that. Okay, apparently I was wrong. I don't have any weapons with me. I got nothing out of that. Interesting. Wow, I'm really bad at this. And we're down. Okay. There we go. Got some more stuff here. Did I kill someone? Oh, I did! Wow. That is interesting. Cool. I'm just waiting for people to come to me. That way I don't have to worry about getting shot. And that's it. Okay, that is all for this video. I have played plenty, and I still am not a big fan of these type of games. It's interesting. I can see why people like it, but for me, I don't know, just the fear of trying to get killed and trying to stay alive, it's not for me. So yeah, but there you go. I played it. If you want me to try any other games, let me know. I'm not a gamer. This is not a gaming channel, but I wanted to try it. But there you go. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Apple Tech 128, and I'll see you in the next one.